talk about Sadiq Khan because I don't know him. Zach I know for over 20 years. And
the brother of your ex-wife.
Yeah. And I'm one of the few people who urged him to come into politics.
Zach Goldsmith's campaign issued a leaflet calling the opponent, Sadiq Khan, radical and divisive as a Muslim. And that was seen as a huge offence by the Muslim community here in London.
I don't know about it, but...
But you think it's the right thing to say?
I don't think so. I don't think the issue of fundamentalism should be brought into this race. The point is I'm not really involved in politics here.
But you urged him to... Hang on a minute. You urged him to get involved in politics? You tweeted in support of Zach Goldsmith? So,
yes,
so your voice counts?
Yes, I do. And I think Zach will make a good mayor. I think he will be good with the minorities, with the Pakistani community. And that's what I know of Zach. How can I not back him when I'm the one who urged him to come into politics? But as far as the fundamentalist claim against the opponent, well, I don't know what led to it, but maybe that wasn't a good move.